Hi everyone, it's Elisa with Jots Designs again. I wanted to show you how I make a beautiful pendant with some leftover resin from another project, and I will be using this Copic Various Alcohol Ink refill in Jasper and the Pinata Alcohol Ink in Blanco Blanco. And for the previous project I used these little resin colorants. I've got white, purplish red, and violet. And then I also used some Pearl X green purple mica powder that I mixed with some sand that I got from Walmart. And the resin that I used is liquid diamonds that I got from the Epoxy resin store. Now keep in mind that even though this is a very thin resin, it had been probably around an hour and a half after I mixed it. So the resin has definitely thickened up quite a bit. I do show everything in this video on how I make this pendant, but it's just a process video, so I have most of it sped up. Please let me know if you have any questions. Stay to the end for the close-ups and let me know what you think of this piece in the comments below, and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got discounts and products I use listed in the description below, and you can always find more in my Amazon shop too. If you would like to help keep this channel going, please check out the various ways to help support it in the description box, and that includes donating via PayPal or sending items from the Amazon wish list. All help is greatly appreciated and goes back into making new videos to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.